In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a photo to your Canva resume. So I'm just going to open up a resume that I've already opened just from a previous template. And as you can see here, it's a very standard resume. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my own photo and we're going to add it to the photo section. Now your template might have this section. If it doesn't, I will also show you how you can add your photo from scratch without having to use the default frame that's already built in. So if you go to uploads in the left here, you can then click upload files. And once you do that, it will open up a window and you can then go ahead and choose your photo that you want to upload. So find your photo wherever it will be on your computer and click open. What it will do then is it will add your image to the uploads images section. So if you click on uploads and then images, you'll see your image, and every image that you've ever uploaded will stay here inside of Canva. Now you can then drag on your image to the resume and it will interact however you want it to. So if you have one of these frames which already exists on Canva, you can just drag it onto the frame and it's going to snap to a circle. If you didn't have this frame, you just go to elements and then click on frame, or just type in frame. And then here, if you go see all, you can just drag on a circle or really any frame. And then in future, when you go to uploads, you can then drag on an image and it will snap to whatever shape the frame is. You can resize it and move it around anywhere that it needs to go. So I hope that quick video helped you out.